Go to teachingenglish.org.uk, log in and open the menu. You should now see My Portfolio. From My Portfolio, select My Courses. This is your course platform. Select the menu and then My Learning and My Courses to access all the courses you are enrolled in. Select Start Course. Here you can access your core online modules. On smaller devices, you'll need to swipe left and right to reveal all the modules. Courses consist of 3 core modules, plus an introduction and resources section, so 5 in total. You must complete them all to successfully complete the course and earn your certificate of completion. Choose a module to work on, then a unit by selecting Details. Then select Continue to access your learning content. Work through it at your own pace. Rewatch and repeat activities as many times as you like. Select Back when you have finished or just want to take a break. Please note that if you are inactive for 40 minutes or longer, you will need to log out, then back in and navigate to your online modules again. From the menu, you can also access important information about your course in the Announcements section. See and learn how to do things in the Tutorials section. And get help with any technical issues by tapping on the Help button. Just tell us what you need help with. Leave your contact details and a description of the issue. And you'll receive an email with some suggestions and links to useful resources. If not received, check your spam folder. Reply to that email if you require any further help from our global online support hub. As you complete the units within a module, you'll see your module completion percentage increase. After completing all the modules and accessing all the resources, your progress will be 100%. You can then open the menu, go to My Awards and see all your certificates. View them here or download them to your device before sharing and celebrating your success with your network on social media.